Hello, this video is about how to change some notification settings in your parent account. So once you go up to this drop down again, right down here is settings. Within that settings tab, you can change any of your defaulted information for your account if you need to change anything after you made it. And right here, this tab called notifications. So in notifications, you can see there's a whole bunch of various options here in terms of what you could have notifications on for your email. So again, it's going to send it directly to that email you use to create your account. So you can choose if you want all course updates, if you want comments on specific posts you had, content created, overdue items. So again, if you have a student who you're really concerned about their overdue material, you might want to turn that on. School groups, again, there's very few people currently using school groups or public groups, but those are all available there setting wise as well. And then lastly, the school ones, and then your personal ones down here. So those are all ways that you can change your setting options. Also, you can put in an alternative email here, so it will be able to go to another email if you would like. If you have to change your password or link other accounts, if you have a kid in more than one district, that would also be where you would do it. And finally, you have your privacy settings. Those are all defaulted there for you. If you want to change anything that way, you could, but those are the different account settings for you. If you notice right here, notifications to your cell phone or your phone, you could initiate that by typing in your cell phone number here and then choosing your carrier and then set it, and then you would know when any of these notifications could also come up in your cell phone. So hopefully that helps with what sort of notifications you want on or off for your child in their Schoology content.